ang pang-anim po na anghel na magdadala ng babala para sa sanlibutan ay makikita po natin sa babala ni Propeta Juan sa Book of Revelation chapter 16 verse 12, which says, "The sixth angel pours out his bowl on the great river Euphrates, and its water is dried up to prepare the way for the kings from the east." So, kanina, sa isang segment ko po, sinasabi talaga ng Biblia kahit sa propeta Isaiah ay ang kings and the church from the east will be the chosen church ni Jesus Christ in the last days or last dispensation ng sanlibutan. Ang atin pong makikita, bakit nga ba ang Euphrates River ay napaka-significant biblically, di ba? Ang Genesis po, mula pa sa kauna-unahang panahon sa Euphrates River na ito at sa paraiso, ay ang Genesis po, the Euphrates River is mentioned repeatedly in Scripture from Genesis to Book of Revelation, signifying its importance in God's narrative. Ito po yung mga key points. Ang Euphrates River po is one of the 4 rivers that flowed out of the Garden of Eden. So, di ba, by north, east, west, and south. So, isa po ang Euphrates na nagbibigay ng tubig sa Garden of Eden or sa paraiso. Ang Genesis chapter 15 verse 18, sabi niya, God promises to give the Israelites the land from the Euphrates to the Mediterranean Sea. Ganon po ang promise ni Ama sa mga Israelita. Kaya, sa Book of Revelation, chapter 16, verse 12, the Euphrates River dries up, preparing the way for the kings from the east, which is seen as a sign of the end times. So, meron po talagang hari ng kaniyang simbahan ang manggagaling sa east. So, ang far east po ay nasa Philippines, if you don't know that. The drying up of the Euphrates River is mentioned as the 6-bowl judgment, where the river's water is dried up to prepare the way for the kings. Marami po kings from the east. This event is seen as a sign of the end times and has been interpreted in the various ways. Literal interpretation po, some believe that ang Euphrates River ay dahil sa climate change ay ang precipitation patterns niya have reduced the river's water levels. Dahil sa prolonged na drought na ito, ang region have further exacerbated the river's decline. So, ang nangyayari po ay makikita po natin na ang totoong nangyayari, kahit nyo i-Google Map po, ang Euphrates River ngayon ay concerned na po ang ating country sa Israel na ito ay nag-dry up na dahil sa climate change. And some believe that Euphrates River will literally dry up in 2014. So, ilang years na lang yan. According to a 2021 report by the Iraqi Ministry of Water Resources, the rivers could run dry by 2040. This drying up has significant implications both environmentally and biblically. So, ulitin po natin, nakita na naman ito ni Propeta Juan na one day ang Euphrates River ay magdra-dry up para po sa pag-prepare ng pagbalik ni Jesucristo. Again, kung hindi ka po Kristiyano, at ikaw po ay nakikinig ngayon, maybe you can validate both scientifically, factually, and biblically kung itong mga prophecies or mga warnings or babala ni Propeta Juan ay totoo. Salamat sa pakikinig.